कि khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Shillong, it's been too long. It's Ronan Keating and I am coming back to India. Finally, I will see you there at the Cherry Blossom Festival, November 19.
The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. It's the way you make me feel. It's better than I've ever known.
Hadirin ke jing sapriang ke khubor hamsaya bu nong yelam san perthai ubala I bha po ka jilla u Dr. Mukul sangma bola berpenyesok no Syaka Bharatiya Janata Party u Menteri Sarkar Bapet ya ketenat ridok ha uba Alexander Lalu Hek ula penpau baka Jingkhang jong ke BJP ke Plie Tang yu Mukul sangma Hynrei Baroh kiseng san perthai. Habe keren bakila pathai khubor uba Alexander Lalu Hek ulaya thu bakam sempat ladan ke Jingkran ti kumnu ngantip la on penyesok ni em. Hynrei ula pentikna baka Jingkhang jong ke BJP ke Plie bet ya Baroh.
Our door is not open only for ITC, it is open for all political parties. If you want to join, you can join anytime. For me too, I welcome him anytime. I have not discussed how I'll know whether he is joining or not joining. But for us, the door is open for anybody who want to come to BJP. No idea whether he is in touch or not in touch because I am not meeting him. The day I joined BJP in 1996, that was also people are saying the BJP is the anti-Christian type. I'm telling you, in all the parties, in all the community, the anti-problem is always there with everybody. We cannot blame only one political party.